Hello again, Silverdale Dolphins. This week we're learning more about planets from Mr. Tim's class, and the one I'm going to read is about Venus Superhot. And there's the title of the book, Venus Superhot, and the author is Don B. Oldfield. What is the hottest planet? Venus. The temperature on Venus is about 864 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus is part of the Earth's solar system. It is the second planet from the sun. Does anybody know the third planet from the sun? You're sitting on it. You're right if you guessed Earth. Venus is called Earth's twin. That's because the two planets are about the same size. They may be the same size, but they sure look different. So they compare in size, but they contrast in appearance, in the way they look. They contrast. Earth has lots of blue and whites and greens, and Venus has oranges and yellows and browns. Like Earth, Venus has mountains and valleys. Unlike Earth, the planet has no oceans. It has no water on its surface at all. Never rains on Venus. However, sometimes lightning flashes in the sky. Venus's atmosphere is made up of poisonous gases. People would die if they breathed in the air. Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet. The tallest volcano is called Mont Mons. It's about 5 miles high. And there's a picture of Mont Mons. That's very high. People have not visited Venus. However, a spacecraft have explored the planet. They sent information back to Earth. And there's the spacecraft. Ooh, the shadows on here. So there's Venus, and there's our moon right there. Sometimes Venus shows up in the night sky. And this night sky is over a big city. It's so close, people don't need a telescope to see it. The bright planet looks like a very large star. And so here's some facts to compare and contrast Earth and Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. Earth is the third. The size, Venus is 7,521 miles across, while Earth is 7,918 miles across. If you did the math, Earth is just a little tiny bit bigger. The temperature, the average temperature, about 864 degrees Fahrenheit, which is scorching hot for Venus, and our Earth, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about what it is outside today. How many moons does Venus have? 0. How about Earth? How many moons do we have? You're right if you guessed 1. And these are definitions or a glossary page. Atmosphere are gases that surround a planet. Poisonous means they're able to kill or harm a human being. The solar system is the sun and everything that circles around it, including all the planets. Spacecraft, vehicles that can travel space. Telescope is what you can look out into space and it brings it closer. And volcanoes are the big mountains that erupt with hot liquid lava and rock and make mountains or destroy mountains. So what was this book about? If you answered something in the solar system or it was about a planet, you were right. But if you answered Venus, you were super right. And it says Venus is super hot. So until next time, Silver Dolphins, I'll say goodbye and thanks for reading with me.